When we go to the next tab, which is labeled Q14, we see the same data, but then we see the instruction to go to Kahoot for the actual question. So let's look at the question. The question is, what did we learn from the DuPont? And here are the three choices. One is that Hatfield is doing better on all three components. The second is that the industry is doing better on all three components. And the third is Hatfield has lower profit margin, total asset turnover, and lower ROE. However, it improved its ROE by leverage. We know that it is the multiplication of the profit margin and the total asset turnover and the equity multiplier that will yield to ROE. So let's pull those numbers for Hatfield and industry just to look at the components. The profit margin is for Hatfield is 0.033, and for the industry is 0.0499. The total asset turnover is 1.67, and for the industry, it's 2.04. The equity multiplier for the Hatfield is 1.94, and for industry is 1.58. And if we multiply those three together, we get the ROE. Let's put in percentages just to show that it's the same number. Hatfield is 10.69 and the industry is 16.08. It looks like a rounding difference on Hatfield. What do we see? We see that, well, the Hatfield has lower margins. So let's put a star or make this green for the industry. And we see that the total asset turnover is likewise better for the industry, but we see that the equity multiplier is higher for Hatfield. So what we see is that the lower margins and asset turnover are very unfavorable for Hatfield, but they were able to boost up their ROE by having more leverage. That's not really how we like to achieve ROE. We'd rather do it the old-fashioned way, through high margins and very productive running of the business, not through incurring more and more debt. So now we have our answer. Of these three choices, the correct answer is Hatfield has lower profit margin, total asset turn, and return on equity, but they improved its return on equity by leverage. That's kind of hiding what's really going on, but that is the correct answer.